Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Love Spellcaster Online. Today I am telling you about Flu 5 Friend Love Charm spell. Simple love charm that you can take anywhere, should attract a love interest within a month. You will need the following items for this spell. First, small bag. Best if pink, red or white. Second, strand of your hair. Third, mixing bowl. For lavender. Fifth, rose essential oil or incense. Sixth, cinnamon. Optional. 7, lemon. 8, greater microplane. 9, a pink piece of paper. Optional. 10, dose blood ink or red ink. Optional. Casting instructions for Flu 5 Friend Love Charm spell. This is a simple charm I made based on a few others I have read and my own experience. I called it the Flu 5 Friend spell since the bag I used was Flu 5. This small charm can either attract a new love interest, attract a current crush, or bring back an old love interest depending on the intent behind the spell. First, get your small bag. This must be at least the size of your hand and sealable in some way, shape or form, whether that's being able to tie together in the end or having pull strings attached. Put your lavender, rose, incense if decided to use, and cinnamon and mix until evenly distributed around the bowl's bottom. Third, zest the lemon over the mixture and mix again. Fourth, pour the mixture into the bag. If rose oil was used, put one drop on the top and seal with the strand of hair by either tying it around the opening or knotting around the strings if any. Chant this spell 3 times. Love has failed me, so thus far make this cycle and let this charm lead to fate by the 30th moon set. Optional. If you want to attract a previous lover or current crush, take the pink paper and writing utensil of choice and write your intended lover's name on the paper. Try to visualize their face, voice, personality. Try to focus your feelings for them on your pen and onto the paper. Then fold the paper and place in the bag before sealing. At the end of the chant, add your own personal chant. For example, the one I used was her name, come to me, hold me in embrace, I will greet you with open arms, I love you and all your grace. This works best if you are currently in contact with your ex or crush, but should work the same either way if enough energy is put into the spell. The spell is not probable to work well if at all if the intended person does not have feelings or any connection with you. As scary as it sounds, you actually have to communicate with your target to get better results. It is not impossible for it to work, but it would take more energy and maybe snacking the charm into your intended lover's belongings for it to work. Please note, this charm does not promise true or everlasting love, only the attraction of a possible love interest. It is up to you to decide if the one attracted is the right one. The more energy and love you attach to the charm, the stronger it gets and the better chances for a true lover. If results don't show within a month, try again. If after the third time trying, this may be a sign that your heart is not ready for a relationship, or the person you are trying to attract does not have any feelings for you and it is time to move on. For more information and help, contact Agori Dinesh Babaji. Phone number is 9530646053. Send your queries on WhatsApp. For more update, visit our website agoridinesbabaji.com. Thank you so much, guys.